7e, I need to take this guy and basically get it out of the fraction and have it be a real piece and an imaginary piece. So you should know that the technique for this is to multiply by the conjugate pair of the bottom. And to take the conjugate pair, get the conjugate pair of the bottom, I look at this, and I take this number, I let that be the same. If it was a minus, it would stay minus. And then I take the opposite of this thing. You should know that it's kind of the idea from part C, where if I use that conjugate pair, the i's go away. So I'm going to multiply by 5 minus 3i over 5 minus 3i. I'm going to put everything in parentheses to make sure that I don't forget that they're all being multiplied by there. When I multiply them out, this term is 15. This term is minus 9i. This term here is that 6i? 6i squared. Actually, I'm not going to write that term yet. Let's do this term first. This term is minus 10i. And then this term right here is double negative, gives me a plus 6i squared. All right, in the bottom, that's going to give me, and so I'll do some scratch work here. I know that I squared is negative 1, right? So this term right here is really just a minus 6. So that's what I'll treat it as when we jump down to the next line. All right, so now we'll do the next part. 25 minus 15i plus 15i, and then minus 9i squared. Now, similarly, I'll do some work in red again. This I squared is minus 1. So minus 1 times minus 9, the entire term, whole thing, is going to be plus 9. So, notice also cancel, cancel, plus 59 minus 59, they go away. So, let's see what color, I'll use black, equals this minus 6 gives me 9. This minus this guy's already taken care of. That minus that gives me minus 19i. And then 25 plus 9 gives me 34. And these guys are already taken care of too. So now I just need to separate it in two fractions. I get 9 over 34 minus 19 over 34 times I. And I'm done. Those don't simplify at all. 19 and 19's prime, and then 34 is divided by 3.